Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading up to one of Tokyo's best free attractions, the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building Observatory. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a local looking for a great view of the city, this spot offers stunning panoramas of Tokyo and beyond. Let's go check it out. We are here at the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building, an impressive landmark in Shinjuku. This building isn't just home to Tokyo's government offices. It also features two observatories, one in each tower, and the best part, it's completely free to visit. Let's head up to the 45th floor and see the view from the top. Here we are, 202 meters above the ground, and the view is just incredible. From the observatory, you can see all of Tokyo's iconic landmarks, from the towering Tokyo Sky Tree to the sprawling Shinjuku district. On clear days, you can even catch a glimpse of Mount Fuji in the distance. This observatory really gives you a sense of just how massive Tokyo is. It stretches endlessly in every direction. Whether you're visiting during the day or at night, the views here are always impressive. One unique thing about the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building Observatory is this grand piano, open to anyone who wants to play. It's such a cool way for people to share their talent, while others enjoy the music and the view. Whether you're a professional pianist or just want to give it a try, this piano is open to everyone. It really adds a special atmosphere to the observatory. It's not just about the views, but also about enjoying the moment with music. Before you leave, make sure to check out the souvenir shop. And if you're feeling hungry, there's a little cafe here where you can grab a snack or a coffee while taking in the view. Whether you're here for the unbeatable views, the music from the grand piano, or just to take in the atmosphere, the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building Observatory is a must visit. And did I mention it's free? If you're in Shinjuku, be sure to make time for this incredible experience. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building Observatory. Tonight, we're diving into one of Tokyo's most exciting and lively districts, Kabukicho, in Shinjuku. Known as the city that never sleeps, Kabukicho is Tokyo's largest entertainment and red light district, famous for its neon lights, bustling streets, and unique nightlife. Let's go check it out. This is the Kabukicho Ichibangai Gate, the entrance to one of the busiest and most vibrant areas in Tokyo. Kabukicho is packed with entertainment options, bars, nightclubs, karaoke spots, restaurants, arcades, and more. Whether you're looking for fun or just curious about Tokyo's nightlife, this is the place to be. Kabukicho is famous for its wild nightlife. You'll find everything from host and hostess clubs to more casual spots like karaoke bars and arcades. No matter what you're into, Kabukicho has something for everyone. Kabukicho isn't just about the nightlife, it's also a food lover's paradise. From classic ramen joints to small izakayas, you'll find all kinds of delicious food here. Grab some yakitori, grilled chicken skewers, or a bowl of hot ramen to fuel your night of exploration. The food here is amazing. Whether you're here for a casual drink or a full meal, Kabukicho has endless dining options. One of Kabukicho's coolest landmarks is right here, Godzilla Road. Look up and you'll see the giant Godzilla head perched on top of the Toho Cinema. It's a must-see for any movie or pop culture fan. The cinema here shows the latest films, including both Japanese and international releases, so you can catch a movie after a long day of exploring. Now, while Kabukicho is known for its vibrant nightlife, it's important to remember to stay aware of your surroundings. It's generally safe for tourists, but like any busy nightlife district, it's good to keep an eye on your belongings and avoid entering places that seem suspicious. Stick to the main streets and you'll have an awesome time. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Kabukicho. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Tokyo adventures. See you in the next video.